ETRADE Pro pricing explained what you get for your money. ETRADE Pro is designed for active traders who need advanced tools, and most people get this wrong. They assume it's just another trading platform, but the surprising truth is that it's packed with real-time data, customizable charts, and in-depth analytics for professional-level trading. ETRADE Pro itself has no platform fee if you maintain a minimum account balance, but standard trading costs still apply for online stock additive trades and 65 per options contract. For futures trading, fees start around 50 per contract. The platform also offers streaming market data, advanced order types, and risk management tools, which are crucial for day traders and serious investors. For example, you can set up complex multi-leg options strategies with ease or monitor multiple watch lists across different sectors in real time. The platform integrates research from top analysts, provides access to technical indicators, and lets you customize alerts so you never miss market movements. Margin accounts are available for leveraged trades, and ETRADE Pro supports futures trading for commodities, indices, and more. In conclusion, ETRADE Pro delivers tremendous value for active traders who need powerful tools, analytics, and execution speed without paying extra for the platform itself. For beginners, it may be overkill, but for experienced traders, it's a robust, cost-effective solution that can support a wide range of investment strategies.